This is the elevator at Bayard Manor Apartments in North Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm not sure what this was originally, but all I know is that it was sadly modernized by Lynn's Elevator Church with modern PC fixtures. Most likely, it seems like it was around the same time that Ron Hall at Chatham University in Shadyside got modernized, probably around early 2016. Maybe a little early. Basement. Make sure you go down. Very similar modernization. Here at the basement, the motors sound original, but I'm pretty sure it's not. Garage. That's the floor. And here you go, your plus button works. Maybe it was a Westinghouse. Honestly, I don't know though. May have originally been manual at one time. All I know is that I don't really like this modernization. Here at 4. Very creepy looking attic. It sounds like someone's cleaning out there. We'll go back down to 1. Very nice historic looking cabin case for your stairway. Sadly, it appears to be painted at one point. Yeah, that's a very creepy looking attic, and it appeared that someone was sleeping in there. Let's see through the shaft a little bit. Oh yeah, that is a cool view through the shaft. Wow. Here back at 1. Pause if you want to read that. Yes, the main entrance to this building is closed. All I got in here is through the propped open garage door. It closes, and that's going to be